associated with IFSEC for now almost since the start of IFSEC as the major participant. So we've always had the largest participation here, and at Aditya, security is a big vertical in our group. We also have other verticals like IT and software and broadcast. So security currently is one of our biggest verticals, and the industry in last 4 years has expanded dramatically, and I see a great growth potential in coming years also. There is a lot of awareness which has happened, especially after the unfortunate 26/11 and the events thereafter in the public, and not only in the public sector but also in the private sector. So I think last 2-3 years we've seen a lot of deployment happening in commercial places, not just government but commercial places. Every hotel, every hospital, every mall, every even commercial office building complexes, some residentials have started getting aware about security gadgets, and they should have some recorders and cameras at their premise. So there is a lot of difference in the way people think, but I would still say a long way to go. It's just a small beginning of the market. If we compare ourselves to the largest market, which is China, and India being the second largest population, we are like probably 20 times behind them in terms of deployment of security equipment. Per se is our biggest revenue churner. We have more than 45 locations, our own offices and service centers to support that, and more than 2,000 to 2,500 resellers who work with us across the nation and expanding. We have more than 25 brands to support the channel, and still expanding on that front also. And apart from that, we also have a division for projects which is we call solutions. So we are doing very large scale projects by ourselves, where we are the face to the customer, but we still involve our channel to co-work with us. So the channel interest is also taken care of, and we become the face at places where the channel sometimes need us to go and cooperate with them. So the solutions division basically designs, they provide the complete design to the customer, they understand the need, the whole ownership is ours, and then integration is done through channel. So that is another facet. We also provide equipment on rental and hire purchase basis to banking sector, to government, for events, again through channel. So it's another facet but going through channel. We have a huge customer care setup. We have a toll-free line with our own call center of more than 15 people doing support, not 24 hours but on the working hours, online, and online support. Then we have our own R&D in Taiwan for product creation, product design, our own team in Hong Kong and China, plus an R&D center in Germany. So there is a lot of overseas setup also on this, and today we are shipping to almost 50 countries across the globe, some of our brands. So it's not just an India-built platform, but we are now more or less present in the global platform. So these are the various businesses. It's more like a short term. Sometimes it's a 3-year hire purchase also. So that is on case specific basis, and the economics, if it works out, then we support. So but more on events, and then some are long-term people, they don't want to pay it as a capital expenditure, so they take it as a running expense. So like a corporate doesn't want to spend capex, so he says, okay, give me on a monthly basis what you charge, and 3 years we amortize the cost or something.